Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I will show you how to edit shortcuts on Snapchat. So for this example, I will take a snap right here and then tap on the next button at the bottom right corner. Then you can see the shortcuts right here at the top below the search bar. And then if you want to edit the shortcuts, now tap on the plus icon below the search bar. And then you can see here the shortcuts right here. You just tap right here. And then you can uncheck those accounts if you want to remove them on your shortcuts. So you just uncheck all of them. And after that, you can now save that by tapping on this save button. So it's very simple tutorial for you guys on how to edit shortcuts on your Snapchat. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.